Hello everyone, my name is Camilo Orjuela. Today I am going to about a famous tourist place in my region, the place in Monserrate, located in Bogota, Colombia. Monserrate is located in Bogota, the capital city of Colombia. It is on the eastern side of the city on a giant mountain many local and international tourists visit Monserrate every year because it its beautiful views and an important church. Monserrate is very beautiful and peaceful. The weather is unusually cold because it is very dry. The mountain is green and natural. The view from Montserrat is amazing and bigger than many other viewpoints in Bogota. At night the city lights look incredible. In Monserrate there are mountains, trees and many natural. There is also a famous church on the top of mountain. People can travel by cable car or funicular. There are restaurants and places to take photos. Many people go there with family and friends. This place gives me speeds and happiness. When is a visit Monserrate because the every moment is calm and beautiful. I chose this place because it is one of the most famous tourist attractions in Bogota, and I really like the beauty atmosphere. Thank you for attention.